Hey there, engineers. Have you ever faced the challenge of cleaning large, intricate components and thought there must be a better way? Well, let me introduce you to the bespoke design of EVT Gigant vacuum closed solvent vapor cleaners, the game changer in mid to large scale industrial degreasing and cleaning technology. Imagine this. You've got a massive, complex metal part covered in grease, oil, chips, swarf, particles, and all sorts of residues. The floor space is also limited. Traditional open cleaning methods or standard systems just don't cut it. That's where I.B Industries come in to help you with our specially designed closed vacuum vapor solvent cleaners. These machines are designed to exact requirements to harness the power of closed vapor phase cleaning, delivering an unparalleled spot-free finish with efficiency. Let's dive into the tech specs. Our cleaners utilize a state-of-the-art vacuum vapor degreasing process, combining solvent vapors spray, immersion flood with ultrasonic cleaning. This dual-action approach ensures that even the most stubborn contaminants are lifted away, leaving your components spotless. But it's not just about brute force. The closed vapor phase method is incredibly gentle on materials, reducing wear and tear. It's perfect for delicate assemblies and sensitive electronics too. And the best part, it's massively scalable. Whether you're dealing with small parts or large-scale machinery, EVT Gigant cleaners can handle it all. Now, let's talk efficiency. With closed-loop operation, these cleaners are designed to minimize solvent use and maximize cleaning power. That means lower costs and less environmental impact. Plus, with special design service, we can integrate automated features and user-friendly controls where you can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Remember those complex metal parts? With our cleaners, you'll cut down on manual labor, reduce cleaning times, and achieve consistently high-quality results. It's a win-win for any engineering team. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning processes, it's time to consider the I.B Industries EVT Gigant Vapor Solvent Cleaners. Contact I.B Industries and experience the power of advanced vapor phase cleaning technology today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more innovations that empower engineers like you.